Phone cameras have created a photo revolution. No longer are people asking for strangers to take their pics, they're capturing shots themselves. Make sure your selfie game is on point by adding these 5 accessories to your phone.
Coinage. Life well spent. Presented by Geico.
A ReTrak Bluetooth selfie remote removes your awkward selfie arm from the equation. The clicker is perfect for group shots and works well with both Apple and Android devices. Get an Instagram-worthy photo with the push of a button for just $10. The LuMee selfie case is a must for Kim Kardashian West. LED lights in the front and back of the phone accessory help to professionally brighten every shot. Each case is drop-proof and gives you glowing glam for $50 to $70. A selfie stick gives your lethargic phone-holding arms a break. 2 interchangeable mounts attached to any cell with a locking, non-slip grip. Purchase this rechargeable and waterproof tool for only $19. No selfie is complete without Facetune. Edit your images like a pro by adding filters, whitening teeth, smoothing skin, emphasizing eyes, and even applying makeup. Download this app for $4. A pop socket sticks to the back of your phone for a secure grip or stand. This simple addition can transform both tablets and phones into hands-free devices. Select the color you prefer and place the adhesive on your tech for almost $9. Say cheese and snap that pic. You're about to get a lot of likes.
Coinage. Life well spent. Presented by Geico.